Friends, welcome back to NG Academy. Today, let's discuss one of the most important term in ray optics, that is focus. Let's define it first. When light rays parallel to the principal axis are incident on a lens, the light rays after refraction meet at a point or appear to come from a point on the principal axis. This point is called focus. Now let's check whether this definition matches with ray diagram or not. Okay, now let's take a scale for it. When the light rays parallel to principal axis, now we will draw parallel rays of light for both the lens. These are the parallel rays of light. Let's come to convex lens. The light rays after refraction meet at a point. Let's draw refracted rays of light. These are the refracted rays of light, and these refracted rays of light after refraction meet at a point. This point on the principal axis is called principal focus or focus. So, a ray diagram is matched with definition for convex lens. Now let's check whether the ray diagram for concave lens matches with the definition or not. When the light rays parallel to principal axis, see, these are the light rays parallel to principal axis. When the light rays parallel to the principal axis are incident on a lens, see, these are incident on a lens, these two light rays. The light rays after refraction appear to come from a point on a principal axis. The light rays, see, what happens is that, let's make the focus here first. For my convenience, I will make focus at 2 cm. This is biconcave lens, so focus is on either side of the lens. The light rays after refraction means this concave lens diverges the light rays. These are the diverse light rays. I will make diverse light rays. See, these are the diverse light rays, and these diverse light rays appear to come from this point. Actually, it is not coming from focus, but it actually appear to come from a point on a principal axis. This is the point on a principal axis. This is the point on a principal axis, and this point is called principal focus. When the light rays parallel to the principal axis are incident on a lens, the light rays after refraction, these are the refracted light rays, the light rays after refraction appear to come from a point. These light rays appear to come from a point on a principal axis, and this point is called focus. So friends, it matches with the definition. The definition of focus here is the combined definition of focus for convex as well as concave lens. Okay friends, this is all about focus in ray optics. If you have any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment section below. For more update, subscribe my channel and do not forget to like and share. Thank you for watching the video.